Hello everyone. I wanted to show you a great tool that I picked up here for cleaning out your dryer ductwork. I had to buy 2 units of this because my span for my ducting for the dryer is very long. But it's a really good tool you could hook up to your electric drill and easily clean out your dryer vents. So I'll just show you in a little bit how this works. Alright, so super easy. I'll just show you 2 pieces here, the brush side um, and one extra extension. So they just very easily screw together here. And you can connect as many of these as you want together. They're very flexible to get around the ductwork if it has any 90-degree bends or anything like that. Just one thing to make sure, the last piece that you use will connect to your drill. Always make sure that when you put the drill on that you're always screwing in clockwise, since that's the same direction that these get tighter. You don't want these loosening up inside your vent and disconnecting. All right, let's go ahead and clean out the dryer.
Next we'll start to feed the brush into the ductwork. I suggest starting with probably about 2 or 3 sections of the flexible pole. That's pretty easy to manage. If you get any bigger than that, it starts to become a little hard to manage. So we'll just start it in the dryer vent, connect it to the drill, and remember, go to clockwise while you're pushing the brush through the ductwork. See here, I had about 3 sections. So once I pushed it all the way through, you can go back and forth a little bit as well to knock off some more stuff you may have missed on the first path. I'm going to connect about 2 or 3 sections on this again and keep pushing through. I'll have to do that about 4 or 5 times. I have about a 20-foot run to get this outside. On an outside shot here, I wanted to just show what it looks like as you're pushing some of that lint out of your dryer vent from the outside. Alright, we got a decent amount of lint that was stuck in the dryer vent, but that's not all we're going to do here. You could do 1 or 2 more passes if you want, back and forth through the vent to loosen everything up. You'll get some on the inside of the house as well when you pull the brush back. But last step is to connect everything back up on the inside and turn the dryer on. Doesn't have to be a hot setting, could be a cold setting on the dryer, and finally blow everything out that you may have loosened up with the brush going back and forth through the vents that may not have actually gotten caught up in the brush to be able to push out. So you'll see I'll run this for a few minutes just to make sure we blow out everything else that's loosened up in there. It's going to make a pretty decent sized pile. And then once you're done there, you can finally close up everything on the outside of the house and vacuum up all the lint that you've gotten rid of here. Alright, thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure you like and subscribe. Take care.